Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to add a bio in TikTok. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a person's silhouette. Tap on it to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. Inside your profile, you'll find various options to customize your TikTok account. Scroll down and tap on Add Bio located below your profile picture. Step 4. Now it's time to craft your bio. Write a short description that reflects your personality, interests, or anything you'd like to share with your TikTok community. Be creative and engaging. Step 5. Once you've written your bio, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. Your bio will now be visible on your TikTok profile for others to see. Remember, your TikTok bio is an opportunity to make a great first impression and attract more followers. Use it wisely to showcase your uniqueness and connect with like-minded individuals. That's it! You've successfully added a bio to your TikTok profile. Now you can stand out and let your personality shine through.